of convex lens. I have drawn different position of object in front of convex lens. I have given position 1 when the object is between optical center and f1. Number 2 I have given when object is at f1. Number 3 when object is between f1 and 2f1. Number 4 when object is at 2f1. And number 5 when object is beyond 2f1. And number 6 when object is at infinity. Similarly, this side also. Like mirrors, what we will do, we will give the number to the position and plus whatever we have to add, plus it, and then we will make the number 8 to get the final position of image. So first ray diagram I am doing is of when object is at infinity. So infinity means it is 6 number, and 6 plus 2 will be 8, and image will be formed at f2. And we will apply the laws of refraction of light. First ray parallel to the principal axis will pass through focus. Second ray also coming from infinity parallel to the principal axis will pass through focus. Here at this point f2 image is formed. Position of image is at f2. Nature of image is real and inverted. Size of image is highly diminished. Point size is there, and this position of object and position of image, it is used in telescope. Second is when object is beyond 2f1. Beyond 2f1 is fifth position, and 5 plus 3 is 8. So 3 is this between f2 and 2f2. So image will be formed between f2 and 2f2. Let's draw it. First ray parallel to the principal axis passes through focus. Second ray passing through optical center goes straight without deviation, and here image is formed b dash a dash. Position of image is between f2 and 2f2. Nature of image is real and inverted. Size of image is smaller than object, and this concept is used in a camera. Third we will doing when object is at 2f1, and 2f1 is number 4. 4 plus 4 is 8, and this image will be formed below 2f2. So let's draw it. First ray parallel to principal axis passes through focus. Second ray passing through optical center goes straight. It will go straight, and you will see that image is formed here. B dash E A dash. Inverted, real and inverted image is formed below 2f2, and it is equal to the size of object. It is used in photocopier. You might have seen the machines which copy the picture. So same size image is formed. Fourth is when object is between f1 and 2f1. It is third position, and 3 plus 5 is 8, and image will be formed beyond 2f2. So let's draw it. First ray parallel to the principal axis passes through focus. Second ray passing through optical center goes straight without deviation, and image is formed beyond 2f2. Beyond 2f2 image is formed real and inverted, bigger than object, and this concept is used in projectors and objective lens of microscope. Yes, students, fifth position is when object is at F1. Object is at F1. Let's keep an object AB of height h at F1. Apply the rules. First ray parallel to the principal axis passes through focus. Second ray passing through optical center goes straight and image will be formed at infinity. Nature of image is real and inverted because this image is formed below the principal axis. Size of image is highly magnified, and this concept, when the object is at F1 and image is formed at infinity, it is used in spotlights. Sixth position is when object is between F1 and optical center. So let's keep an object AB between optical center and F1. Again, apply the rules. First ray parallel to the principal axis passes through focus. Second ray passing through optical center goes straight without deviation, and if we proceed them backward, you know that they will meet at one point, and that point is virtual image is formed. A dash B dash is virtual image formed of object AB, and this image is virtual. It cannot be taken on screen. That is why I have shown in dotted lines. Actually, rays are not actually meeting. Refracted rays are not actually meeting. They are appears to be meeting. So position of images on same side as object. Nature of image is virtual and erect. Size of image is magnified, and this concept, it is used in simple microscope and magnifying glass. Thank you.